Welcome back. So today we are going to unbox this. This one's the LUMARY Smart LED can lights, 5 or 6 inch. This one will fit 5 or 6 inch of your canister light or smart recess lighting. And it is RGB color changing recess light fixture. Uses 13 watts with the 1100 lumen, work with the Alexa, Google Assistant, Smart Things, and this one is the 4-pack. So this one also comes with the remote control, so you don't need to depend on your smartphone. So remote is connected with the Bluetooth with the control distance up to 50 feet or 15 meters. So with this setup, you can complete in a few seconds by a little push and save your time and energy. You don't need to require special cutting, wiring, or anything like that. So it also allows you with the group control of the lights for different scene. Anyway, I'd like to give a shout out to Ann from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. So here's the product description that I just went over. So you could use your app for dimming and then offer 16 million colors, timing, app, cool and warm, voice control, group control, and then music sync. And then the product is made in China. Here's the specification right here. So you need to install the LUMARY app. So here's the remote control. it requires 2 of the AAA battery. So this one has 3 of this metal prong, and you got this direct connect, so you don't need to cut any of the wires or whatever. Let's see. So you need to unplug this one first, so you can twist the wire to the socket, and then after that remove the old canister light or the recessed light, and then you can push this back up. Well, you need to connect this first and then push back up. Make sure white go with white and then black go with the black. Neutral and then hot. So yeah, let's go and then install this. Quick install and check it out. Alright, so we're going to install on this 2 of this reset lights. So be sure to cut off your power or turn off the switch first. Or if you need to go out to your circuit breaker, make sure you turn it off, or it's gonna get shocked. So yeah, we need to take out the light bulb and then remove the canister around the perimeter. Whoa. Alright, so I reclipped this socket with those springs. And now I'm going to connect the wiring back. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the lights and then let you guys see the difference. Wow. So that means try to sync it to the app. Alright, so go to your Google Play Store or your App Store. Make sure you download this LUMARY and then click on install. Alright, now click on open. Click on agree. So we need to sign up the account. Alright, so you need to enter your country and then enter the email address and click on I agree. And after that, you're gonna get verification code, and it's gonna send you a 6-digit code, and then you're gonna enter it in. Okay, after you sign in, and then just go to the app. Gonna click on allow. So the notification is on. Let's go and then turn on the light and then click on add device. Click on add device. So you need to select the light, the ceiling light. Confirm. Need to enter your Wi-Fi. Alright, so now the light stays on now. That means try to finish sync it. Okay, there you go. So right here you could click on the pen and edit. Okay, press done. Press done. Alright, so right here you can select like a different color tone right here. Okay, and you could turn off from the app or turn it back on. That's a dimmer switch. Right now it's 100%. So you can lower it or change color. And then over here, this is a different, this is the night mode. Let me point out the lights. So that is the night, working, soft, dazzling, breed, pretty bright compared to the other one. And then leisure, color, gorgeous. And there's on the bottom one, it's a whole bunch of it. Easter, holy, holiday. There's some other one right here that you can change it to. Different scene, kung fu, sunflower, blue sky, Dodge blue. Yeah, so many. Violet, ocean, forest, dream, Christmas, birthday, Victory Day, Halloween. And then this is music, so you can click on star while using the app. So every time we talk, we change a different color. Hello, boom, 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 boom. So yeah. And then right here you could do like a plan, schedule, or timer. Alright, so I put my rechargeable battery in there right now. Alright, so I installed 2 in the kitchen, so I'm going to turn it on. And you will need to hit the group. I'm going to hit the B group, keep on pressing it until you flashes. So maybe it's an A group. Alright. So once it's flashed like that, and after you finish flashing, that you can change color. This is the warmer. So as you see the yellower, it give you more yellow color, warmer, and then cooler. And this is dimmable. It's a minus, and then brightness. Wow, pretty bright. And then you could do the scene. Let's see RGB right here. Probably change a different color and stuff. So it stays one color. And you press it again, you change a different color individually then. Okay. And then right here is the night mode. So it's pretty dim. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.